Can a bleeding phone screen be fixed?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common issue that can happen to anyone: a bleeding phone screen. A bleeding screen means that the liquid crystal display, LCD, of your phone has been damaged, causing a leaking effect that looks like your screen is bleeding. Now, you might be wondering, can a bleeding phone screen be fixed? Well, stay tuned as we break it down for you.
What causes a phone screen to bleed?
First off, let's discuss what actually causes your phone screen to bleed. In most cases, the bleeding effect is caused by a damaged LCD. This can be due to physical impact, such as dropping your phone, or sometimes due to manufacturing defects. When the LCD is damaged, the liquid crystals start leaking, creating patches or lines of bright, discolored areas on your screen.
Can a bleeding phone screen be fixed?
Now to the main question: can a bleeding phone screen be fixed? The short answer is yes, it can be fixed. However, it's important to know that you can't just fix the bleeding. The entire LCD panel of your phone will have to be replaced.
How can a bleeding phone screen be fixed?
So, how exactly is a bleeding phone screen fixed? Well, this involves replacing the damaged LCD. It's a complex process that involves disassembling your phone, removing the old LCD, and then installing a new one. This process should be done by a qualified technician to avoid causing further damage to your phone.
Can I prevent my phone screen from bleeding?
Absolutely. The best way to prevent a bleeding screen is by protecting your phone from physical impact. Using a phone case and a screen protector can significantly reduce the chances of your phone's screen bleeding if you happen to drop it. It's always better to be safe than sorry. In conclusion, a bleeding phone screen can indeed be fixed, but it requires a full LCD replacement, which should be done by a professional. Prevention is always the best cure, so be sure to protect your phone to avoid dealing with a bleeding screen. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, take care of your tech and it will take care of you.